Armenian Spetsnaz have been equipped with made-in-India Tonbo Imaging's Spartan-S thermal monoculars. A framework is being finalized to check Chinese components in military drones, to boost indigenization and for the purpose of national security. China has sold unspecified units of HQ-17AE surface-to-air missile system to Tajikistan, that showcases its growing partnership with China. Bengaluru-based Pravaig Dynamics has won the prestigious iDEX award for its military all-terrain stealth electric vehicle. Sakthi Aircraft Industry has signed a deal for procuring 200 DA40 NG trainer aircraft from Austria, that includes local assembly of 150 trainers in Haryana. The Indian Navy Chief inaugurated the Crystal Computational Resource for Artificial Intelligence Testing and Learning, which is Indian Navy's first AI data center and lab. Lockheed Martin has confirmed that deliveries of all 14 remaining MH-60R Seahawk helicopters to the Indian Navy will be completed by 2026, which were ordered in 2020. Bengaluru-based NewSpace Research and Technologies has announced a technology partnership with the US Army DEVCOM Army Research Laboratory. The Indian Navy is planning to integrate deck-based CUAS aircraft into its future aircraft carrier fleet, and potential candidates include Northrop Grumman E-2D Hawkeye and Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey airborne early warning variant. Solar Industries has confirmed that its Bhargavastra counter-unmanned aerial system will feature a hard-kill interceptor capability, incorporating both guided micro-missiles and unguided rockets. India and Brazil are nearing the finalization of a memorandum of understanding focused on the maintenance of Scorpion-class submarines. At a time when the F-35 and Su-57 are competing for an Indian Air Force order, a persistent concern raised against the F-35 is a rumored kill switch, which is a supposed mechanism that would allow the United States to remotely disable the F-35 mid-flight or on the ground, if India were to act against American interests. The ODIN operational data integrated network is managed through servers overseen by the US, that fuels speculation about their potential for remote control. If India is denied access to the ODIN, it wouldn't stop the F-35 from flying, but it will ground the aircraft over time due to safety protocols, as maintenance crews would struggle to diagnose issues and source spares. Denying access to spare parts and software updates or technical support achieves the same outcome of a kill switch, while the Su-57 doesn't come with such headaches, as the Russian offer not only includes full transfer of technology and local production, but also integration of indigenous components and subsystems developed for the AMCA program. After the Indian government allowed Russia's Product 177's fifth-generation jet engine to participate in the AMCA engine contest, British engine manufacturer Rolls-Royce, which was seen as the preferred partner till now, has once again expressed strong interest in collaborating with India on the co-development of a next-generation combat aircraft engine that will provide an opportunity to create and own intellectual property for critical combat engine technology, allowing future upgrades and exports. A retired Indian Air Force officer has said that development of an IL-76 replacement within India is very much possible if the Air Force commits to procure at least 30 to 40 units to ensure the economic viability of the program. He also added that such an endeavor could be realized through leveraging technology from the AMCA jet engine development that will replace the current fleet and also foster independence from foreign suppliers for future programs like AWACS and mid-air refueling tankers. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.